We are locked in. The new view, the new angle that I've been talking about in my last video is finally here. I needed a day to spruce up my YouTube home office studio. Only if you saw what it looked like before I cleaned it up, you would not appreciate the new view that I am about to show you. So in future videos, just like in this video, I want to show you what this new angle is going to look like. Now, I did take some time to run the wire and hang the camera, and I actually found a $3 lens that went over the webcam lens to give it like a skateboarding type look. I'm not a skateboarder or anything like that, but I thought it'd be cool just to share something different and give a different angle when I'm making a talking head video just like this, or even when I'm reacting to a video. You kind of can get a behind the scenes, if you will. As long as my studio is clean, I will provide this angle. So I'm going to show you the angle in 3, 2, 1. Hi there. How do you like the angle? It looks pretty good, don't it? I mean, I dig this. This is really cool. So when I'm reacting to a video, you can kind of see me like this, talking as if I'm reacting to the video, and then I can go back to here, and you can see me here. And if I want to talk to you again over here, I just click over here. Hi. How are you? How you doing? How do you like the new angle? I'm digging this. I really like this a lot. I really think it's cool. It's definitely an upgrade from what I'm used to doing. So now I got two cameras, right? Two is better than one. Isn't that what they say? So I just thought I would share this with you, this new camera angle. And, and it gave me the opportunity to try something different. It gave me the opportunity to spruce up my area because my shit was really messy. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Let's help get this video out there, and I will catch you in the next one.